How to fix invalid destination address in Moto G Stylus. First of all, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on network and internet. Now here you will see airplane mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messages, app cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search messages app. Now click on messages app, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting, click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix invalid destination address in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.